Hi everybody, welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. Today I have a plum paper sticker haul, and it is done by Sammydoodle Designs, and her designs are just beautiful. I picked up the August Wild About You monthly kit, and in this monthly kit it is for the plum paper planners. So we have the small box, which if you look at my other video, which I'll link below, there is a little box that I have notes in. So this would fit it in that. And then this is for the sidebar. Right here are the days of the week. And then here we have at the top of the pages, it has the month of August written down. Then we have some washi. We have some full boxes. And then here we have quarter boxes, and we have appointment boxes. And then down here we have, let me make sure I'm in frame. We have little icons, airplanes, and then we have some flags over here. And then we have, sorry, I'm just trying to get this in frame. And then we have little balloons, which would be like reminder markers. We have the scripts. That's a sick day, no school, bill due, and payday, and day off. Then we also have the days, the dates, and we have little star stickers. So this is really, really cute. I can't wait to put it in my planner. I'm a little late just from receiving my planner late, but that's okay. I'm gonna do a plan with me with this. And then next, what I purchased is the autumn watercolor kit. And this is for the plum paper planner also. And what I've received is this little sampler page, which is really cute. It's like a summary page. When I say summary, like summer. And then here we have pencil appointment labels. These are so cute. We have a sprinkle kindness, like confetti little sticker. And right here are laundry day little stickers. They're just adorable. Hydration stickers, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here is the stackables. So look at how pretty this is. Look at that pumpkin. It's so beautiful. And then we have like a task bar, we have a full box, and then we have the days of the week, like if you want to put in planning or, little reminders. Here's more hydration, another hydration sticker, and then here are habit trackers. Okay, on this one, we have labels. They are the quarter boxes and the half boxes. And do you see how beautiful these colors are? They're just gorgeous. It's not your traditional fall colors. And then here we have the icons page, which we have planners, we have reminders, celebrations, cleaning, mail, groceries, shopping, and then we have payday, trash day, and then TV icons and such. Right here, we have the day covers. So pretty, just stunning. Her work is just beautiful. You have to check her out. It's Sammydoodle Designs. And then here we have the headers, mustard color, and then this is more of a, I want to say it's not rose colored. It's really pretty. It's like a muted fuchsia. And then these greens are so pretty with a tangerine color. And then these gray polka dots, so pretty. And then here we have the washi. So we have the mustard color again, then we have the tangerines and the mustard and the dots, and then the aqua colors with the plum coloring. And here we have the sampler. And with the sampler, we have more washi. We have a full box, half box, and quarter box. And same in these two designs. Then we have AM routine, PM routine, important, this week, day off to do, payday, and work scripts. We have little stars, we have flags, we have a banner, weekend banner, and then another small banner, some icons, and then little boxes and dots, and then like a little reminder. And then here, we have the full boxes, and look at how gorgeous. Can you see those colors? Look at this pumpkin. It's in that teal color, and the tangerine. This is just a stunning set, and I can't wait to try it out. And definitely, you know, as I said, I will be doing a plan with me with this set. And then also from Sammydoodle Designs, I picked up these little paper clip and bow reminders. Look at how precious they are. I can't stand it. They're so cute. And then here I order my groceries and I pick them up. So this reminded me of my little SUV. So these are for grocery pickups. And then phone call icons. Very, very cute little pink phone handles. This reminds me of when I was a child. We used to have a pink phone, and the cord literally would take you anywhere. You could go hide in a closet. You could wrap around practically the whole house. So that's why I picked these up. It reminded me of my childhood, and it's a cute way to remember to call loved ones, or if you're making appointments, to mark it with these. And then I ordered some scripts. And these scripts are called Gen Plans. So I picked up a payday one, a work from home, and then I also picked up, a second work from home. Now, in the email or the little note that Sammy sent me, she said that she liked the work from home, and she was thinking about adding these to her shop. So make sure you check it out. Again, it's Sammydoodle Designs. Now, the other stickers that I purchased were scripts, and these are from Sara Marie Designs. And I picked up a to-do script page, and there's a lot on here, a lot. And then also you get washi, which this washi, I didn't realize, it matches the Sammydoodle Designs, the autumn watercolor kit. Then we have the half day. I have the day off. Let me see what I've got. I purchased the sick day, the don't forget, garbage night, and then a PM routine. Now, I know she sells the AM routine stickers also. However, my AM routine is the same every single day. So there's nothing that I really need to point, or make a note of on my planner. So the PM routine, I thought, would give me something. Every night is a different routine. So I thought this would be a cute way to note that. So that is it. I will be doing a plan with me with the watercolors from Sammydoodle Designs. So if you could please like and subscribe and hit that notification button, so that way you know when I post my videos. And I want to thank you again for joining me, and I hope to hear from you. Please comment below. Let me know if you have a plum paper planner. That's a tongue twister. Or if you use Erin Condren or a Happy Planner, I use all three. So plum paper is the newest one to me. So I'd be curious to know which one you use. And then also if you've ever used Sammydoodle Designs or Sara Marie, and which kits you like best. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.